So this is my week 3 dialogue cards that I created. I of course started with edit mode on, added an activity or resource, came here to activities, chose H5P interactive content, and here I chose dialogue cards. That's this one. And did the heading animal vocabulary here. Added the task description, which is what are the features of the animals that I'm showing them. For example, the cards that I added first were the same 3 I used in the flashcards. I did the polar bear, so I went to my bank of images which I saved on my laptop. So I have here the H5P images. These are the images that I had used. I then came back to here, added the answer. The answer for the first one was fur. Then I added the image. I didn't change anything here. I did the same thing again for the next couple of dialogue cards, and I said save and return to the course. The image attribution I picked up from here, so that I added it to the, when I added the image to the dialogue cards, I made sure, where was I? Sorry. Yeah, so when I added the image to the dialogue cards, I went to the, so let's do one. For example, let's do this. I did this, and the answer for this was fur. And I did the edit copyright button. I entered the information from my image attribution file and came back here, completed all this information, and made the video on how I did this to post it up to YouTube. Then I came back to my course, and this is how it worked. So here, for example, I would ask the students, what do they see on the animal's body? And they would guess the word feathers. If they didn't, I would help them with that. Here, hair on an animal's body. Turn the card, and you see the answer, fur. And the fourth one, what do you see? What is this? Turn the card, they are antlers. And that's it. That's how I did my dialogue cards. Thank you.